I want to show you some other types of input fields. We've looked at the text type of input field, but the ones I'm going to show you are somehow newer. They might not work in all web browsers, but they're increasingly supported by more web browsers. One of them is forces you to enter or allows you to enter numbers. So it's of type number, and you can also give it a default value if you want. So we'll give it a default value of 5. You can give it a minimum 1 and a maximum of 10. Now, when using these constraints, never forget that no matter what you do in your server, this should also be checked. So this is just for it makes it easier for the user not to enter wrong data. But if someone really wants to enter wrong data, they'll find a way to send that through. And so you need to have that check in your server as well. See that we have this nice number input that lets you enter a number within a range. Another type of input field which I find quite nice is the color. It's a color picker, and it'll throw the color window that's native to your operating system. So if you're on Mac, this is going to look very different. Then there's the date input. Lets you pick a date from a calendar. And the last one I'm gonna mention is the range type of input, which is a bit similar to this one here, but it's more visual. So this one might be better to have when you have maybe a higher range, when it's like a softer, when there's more points in between. So that's a range type of input. And there are many more that you can look up. So as you can see, there are really a bunch of options to have different types of inputs. And some of these ones, like color and date in particular, are not yet fully supported in all web browsers, but they're getting there quite quickly. And yeah, and probably they'll be adding new ones as well in the future. I hope so.